Hi guys, it's Katie. I'm one of the co-founders of FabFitFun, and welcome back to Behind the Box. This is where we get to do a deep dive into some of the products meant to create that quintessential winter experience. So this season's theme is Cheers and Charm, and we're super excited to raise a glass and give a little toast to you. Because the box is now 100% customizable, we can't go into all of the choices. But if you do want to check out everything that's in the winter box, click over to our customized close-up videos and we'll get you all of the details. This group of products is all about new year, new you, really stepping into the new year, just feeling your absolute best. All right, I know you guys love fitness products at this time of year, so we have these 1 pound weights from Koral. You can wear them on your wrist, on your ankles, just a great way to boost that intensity when you're doing your normal stuff or even working out. Next up, we have a tea sampler from Vahdam. You guys have been asking for teas for years, and I'm so excited to finally get them to you this winter. They're packed with beautiful immune boosting properties that we all need right now, and it has all of these really lovely spicy flavors so that you can find your favorite one. All right, next up, we have a FabFitFun favorite. You guys know and love Dr. Brandt. They're an amazing prestige skincare line. This time, we are showcasing the Collagen Serum. It's packed with amino acids to keep our skin looking hydrated and supple during these dry winter months. So this winter, we are all about going to sleep and waking up beautiful. So we have these Glow by Daye Duo Silk Bonnets. If you haven't tried a bonnet, you gotta do it. It's great for reducing frizz, breakage, tangles, and makes your hair so much more manageable in the morning. So this next set of products is all about elevated comfort, meant to make you feel cozy and festive all season long. First up, we have this very cute, chic beanie from Kors. Obviously one of your favorite fashion brands, mine too, but it's in this great neutral shade, so it matches with everything, and it'll just keep you warm and happy all season long. Next, we have probably one of my favorite throwbacks of all time. It is the Scarfigan from Soia and Keo. Yes, it's a cross between a scarf and a cardigan, and it's basically like wearing a giant, super chic blanket out of your house that still makes you feel stylish and warm and cozy. I love the color block, the little fringe detail. This, guys, is a must pick. Last but not least, we have the Herschel Tote. I'm obsessed with it. It's so big and roomy for all of your winter essentials. Obviously great if you're going back into the office or traveling, or if you're a mom like me. It has a great zipper and an inner pocket to keep you organized, and just a chic addition to your winter looks. So next up, we are all about the fantastical finishes. One, we love things that start with an F. But seriously, guys, these are products that are going to make your holiday looks just sparkle. First up, we have the True and Luscious Lucky Glow palette. First off, guys, it's gigantic, which is just the best. It's a great female-founded brand, but what I love about this bronze and highlight palette is that it's super buildable. So if you want a little bit of shine or a ton of sparkle, this is the glowy palette of your dreams. Next up, we have the cult classic Purifying Face Cleanser from TULA. This is an amazing female-founded brand, best known for infusing all of their products with probiotics, which we know are amazing for the skin. It also features lactic acid, which is a great gentle exfoliant. And the cleanser just really leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed every day. Next up, we have Glamnetic. These guys are magnetic lashes. You use the liner just like you would your regular liner, and then you stick the lashes on. They're super easy to apply, super easy to come off. It's a female-founded brand. You guys know I love a big lash, and it's just a great way to make your eyes pop during the holidays. So next, you guys actually have a product choice from one of my all-time favorite female-founded brands, Briogeo. First up, we have the Curl Charisma. Yes, this is for all of you curly girls. It's infused with avocado oil, quinoa extract, and it's really moisturizing, helps to define your curls, and just keeps them looking soft and shiny. All right, you guys, you know I like a heat tool too much, so this one is a must. It's the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. It's a heat protectant. Use it before you blow dry, before you straighten your hair or use a curling wand, and it just does wonders to, resist the heat, prevent breakage, and reduce a ton of frizz. I use it almost every day. So this series of products is all about celebrating the season, having little get-togethers with family and friends. For me, winter is all about cooking and baking. So I love this 4-piece silicone set from Sur La Table. You guys can choose between the gray or the feisty red, depending upon your preference, but just great for getting your inner chef on. Next up, we have the Ryan Porter set of Votive candles. How cute are these guys? Not to mention they're incredibly fragrant. They smell so good. What else is the point of a candle? But they're great for all of your holiday tablescapes and just gets you into those really festive vibes. Next up, we have the MasonTops Holiday Cocktail Bundle. It's perfect for creating all of your signature cocktails at your parties. And it has this wonderful silicone coating, so it makes it super hard to break, something you know that I probably need. So if you've ever suffered trying to open a bottle of wine, this guy is for you. It is the Mark and Graham electric wine opener. It has a built-in foil cutter and just makes opening all of those bottles of Sauvignon Blanc a cinch. All right, guys, that's all the products that we're showcasing from the winter box today, but I couldn't end a Behind the Box without a shout out to our amazing winter nonprofit. This season, we're partnering with Toys for Tots. It's an amazing org creating hope and happiness for kids that are less fortunate. So you guys will be able to donate to this amazing cause in add-ons, and we'll also be talking about other ways you can get involved this season. So make sure to subscribe to the FabFitFun YouTube channel so you get all of the latest information. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next season. Bye, guys.